Hello everyone, DQ here, and the walk I have for you today is this AEGIS high pin count walk. I think it comes from Japan, and it has 18 pins, 6 pins in 3 rows. All of the pins are like mushrooms or spools. There are top pins, left pins, right pins, and also the 2 rows are directly opposing each other, which is not usual for many high pin count walks. As you can see, the pins are directly touching each other like that. This walk is not very difficult. It has overmilling as well, but when you apply heavy tension and keep the full set, you will easily find the binders. For tensioning, I use this nail, which I modified with hammer and anvil, just to be flat, so it can lay here in the bottom. I can apply heavy tension, and also it gives me perfect platform to lever my pick, basically flat surface in the bottom. For the top row, I'm using this Moki hook. It's my favorite profile. I have no idea what's it called, but I usually, if I can, I use this one. It's my favorite hook. Also, I'll be using the smallest and the medium size ACAP pick. Again, I will be using mostly the small one and maybe the long one to find binders, but it's not very easy to set when you're in deep faucet, so it's more about the feel, which is binder, and then I go with the short one, which has more force to set it. And yeah, basically first my strategy will be to just pick all the spools or mushrooms, whatever they are, until I get full set. So basically the flat part is no longer on shear, and after I get the full set, I just go around and try to pick. It's easier to pick the left side first because it has a lot of low lifts in this beating, but usually you just go and feel whatever your beating is. As you can see, we have a lot of max lifts, so those will stay in the overmilling usually, so you have to pick them like 2 times usually, maybe 3 if you drop some pins. Same for the top pins, they may click once, but once you're in the deep faucet you may need to push them out of the overmilling, because you can see a lot of high lifts. Here we have on position 2, position 4 and position 5 we have max lifts. If the camera wants to focus, yes, thank you. And yeah, generally that's it. Pretty fun walk to pick. So yeah, now let's get it picked. Okay, I guess high pin count walk is in the device. He works nicely. So let's try to pick it. First, I will just set some of the binding side pins till I get a full set like this. Then I will go check the top pins. Pin 1 is binding, yes. Okay. Okay, the top pins might be set, so let's see the sides. the left side might be set. Yeah, I think the left side is set. So let's see the right side. Let's check some of the top pins. Okay, some of them were in the overmilling. Here I'm getting blocked, which means the last pin is binding. Okay, let's see the last top pin. Yeah, it's giving me counter rotation. Okay, getting close to the open. Let's check with the hook again. Okay, got 2 pins. Okay, even deeper faucet now, which is good. Let's see the last pin on the right. I think only one of the top pins is left, so let's try to find it. Yeah, some of them are in the overmilling, but side pin dropped. Pin 1 on the left, pin 6 on the left. Oh, even deeper faucet, which is very good sign. Pin 1 on the left. Oh shit, I'm in very deep faucet and it wants to counter rotate. Okay, got it. And the last pin on the right. And the lock is picked. Yay. I won't get this lock because it's wound to me. But all the pins are in there. I also won't rotate it anymore because left and right row are directly opposing each other, as you can see from the key. But yeah, it is picked indeed. I will lock it back up and kinda try to show you that all the pins are in there. As you can see, 3 rows here. It has 6 pins in each row. A very nice lock. Thank you, Lock Dog, for loaning it to me. And yeah, as I said, I won't get it because it's very dangerous and I don't want to mess with any springs. But yeah, this is AEGIS high pin lock count, high pin count lock picked. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day and bye bye.